When I'm looking at you, and you're looking at me, I can feel something, what can it be? Arjita and Anshu, two crazy souls coming together to celebrate life with each other's combined zest. What better way to kick off this episode than by inviting them to go do something crazy together? We're taking them underwater in the beautiful C'est La Vie in Mumbai. Bharat, where's the couple? I'm freezing!
Oh, you mean the lovey-dovey couple, the pink hearts tiara couple, the fair-eyed twin-like couple? Do we chill?
I am chilling in here.
Yes, you're chilling in here. We're going to be here. You're looking nice.
This is not about looking beautiful. I am dying in this
Yeah,
cold.
but they're on the way, Baba. They're coming.
Hi guys! Hi, I'm Arjita Sethi, 25 years of age. I'm a social entrepreneur. I studied in the Army Public School, Bhalakwa. Eventually went on to become a physiotherapist. And then later the anti-doping official at the Commonwealth Games. And now I'm all ready to get married to Anshu, whom I love too much. And this exciting journey will be going on with Band Baja Bride.
Hello, I'm Anshu. I live in San Francisco. I'm a product manager at Zynga. I used to be a software engineer, but I think after meeting Arjita, life has started changing. I'm part of a Bollywood dance troupe in San Francisco. I'm a big cricket fan, biggest fan of Sachin Tendulkar. The good thing is that now that he's retired, I can concentrate on Arjita Sethi. So Arjita has got me on this show called Band Baja Bride. I have no idea what this show is. I think I have some idea now that I've googled some things and saw some videos about it. Apparently it's a makeover show. I don't think she needs a makeover. She's already so pretty. But I don't know why I am on this show. It's called Band Baja Bride.
I know that voice and I know this couple. Hello, both of you.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi guys!
Hi Arjita. Welcome to TV's and Band Baja Bride, both of you.
Thank you.
तेरे मॉडर्न डे लैला मजनू कहाँ इतनी देर कर दी यार आते आते मेरी एक खूबसूरत सी होस्ट बेचारी she's turned into a popsicle then.
Oh, hi there! We saw Juhi in the pool, which was very strange initially.
According to your audition tapes, we found out that you claim to be very adventurous. Yes. Now what we decided to make this your Band Baja Bharat model, I decided to put a little bit of adventure on your journey on Band Baja Bride, which is simply put a stint for the both of you of underwater. And before my crew inside and my co-host actually freezes over, let's not waste time. Let's get you changed, get you glamorous and into that water. Come.
My first day with Band Baja Bride was really exciting. They broke the news to us that, we are going to have an underwater shoot, which was very exciting, and we got all dressed up and all the makeup was put, and then we went into the pool. Now this is something that has never been done on Band Baja Bride. So you're dressed up, you're looking fantastic, you're gonna get a whole bunch of props, right? And we have Anoop, who's an extraordinary photographer, who's gonna document your entire date. So, are you excited about this? Yeah? Alright, Anoop's gonna take over now. Once I went inside, the water was freezing. I mean, we were feeling cold is an understatement. Our legs were trembling, shaking, and on top of it, we had to go underwater and have those perfect shots. But then Anshu was trying to hold me and my dress was going haywire, I remember. And there he was like the warrior of the day.
Baby, give me more, never felt like this before. You know you're all I'm thinking of. And I can show you what to do, wanna make some love to you.
So we were given some props to play with for our underwater shoot. We had wine glasses.
We had these different glasses or frames, beautiful white, big, crazy frames.
As a leader, your kiss will make me shiver.
for good about, I think, 6-7 years on a social networking site, but we never spoke to each other. We even went to the same school. He was my senior by 2 years. One fine day, Anshul sends me this message. What was the message, Anshul?
I think I asked you if you work in an NGO or something.
And I replied, yes, I do. But I thought he was seriously asking me about my work. But that was just a small talk message. However, the conversation moved on, and then one fine day he commented on my picture. I believe that was 9th of February. And I said, thanks, Anshul Dhawan. After 2 weeks of talking to each other, we realized that we both were crazy.
So she said she's crazy, and I told her that you don't even know how crazy I am. She's like, no, I'm crazy. And I'm like, okay. I came in August to propose to her.
And he didn't tell me the time he's landing.
So I landed in the morning.
It was the first time I was about to see him physically. I saw him at the end of this crossing right outside my house. We ran and we hugged. I mean, I have never hugged in public. It's just not possible for me. Then he tricked me into taking me to Taj Mahal.
Yeah, so we went in a train to Taj Mahal. She did not know I'm going to propose to her.
And he proposed me with a Hajmola.
So we finally came back from Taj Mahal on that
And he
train.
slept throughout the journey.
Because I was jet lagged. I flew across the globe to meet you.
Then that's how we got engaged. So we were never officially engaged, and I'd tell him at all, he just proposed to me, and I was like, okay, I said yes, we're getting married.
तो मेरी लैला मजनू आपको ठंड लग रही होगी? About time we get you out and get you warmed up. Yes, Julie, what do you think?
I think it's time for you guys to get out of the pool.
Yes,
You've
so then
done a
come on,
super
come
job.
on, let's see you coming out. Brilliant, good job, guys. Good job.
I think the experience is nice. बहुत मजा आया. I think this is once in a lifetime thing. I don't think we're doing this again.
I'm always going to cherish this moment, and I believe Band Baja Bride did something crazy for this crazy couple.
Guys, come on. Shivering cold couple.
We were just discussing your photographs, and we were just discussing how sporting you guys are, that you spent so much time in the pool and they did very well.
Yeah, and they understand when I said Julie's turning into a popsicle.
आप समझ में आया तुम लोगों को?
But coming to the point, you guys do say you're crazy about each other, don't you?
Yeah.
Of course.
Of course. And you know that you're going to spend the rest of your life together.
Yes, of course.
Yeah?
I mean, we should just start seeing the whole inseparable aspect
Yes.
to your journey from the very beginning. What's that?
Yeah. And I have something in my hand.
This little thing she holds in her hand is the key, and literally to you being inseparable
Yes.
on your journey on TBZ Band Baja Bride.
Yes, Bharat.
Yes.
I think you need to tell them what it's all about.
Yes. So let's make this a little more adventurous.
Okay.
Being in the moment. Let's see you both close your eyes for the moment.
Juhi showed us that key, and we were told to close our eyes. And Bharat just starts walking, comes behind us, and puts something on our hand.
And with that last click, I shall pronounce you both handcuffed for life. And there you are.
The moment I opened my eyes, we both were handcuffed. We raised our hands, and we realized we were handcuffed to each other. And Anshul was handcuffed in a pink handcuff, which was classic, which was so great.
So let's already move on to what's next, and that would be.
Jewelry shopping for Archita.
And Anshul, my friend, like it or not, you seemingly don't have much of a choice. Let's
So
do a
it's time to
ball.
rock and roll?
Yes,
Let's do this.
go.
Next step that was there in the whole journey was the TBZ jewelry store, and we are handcuffed to each other. It's a little weird. We are handcuffed, and it's like as if we are love convicts or something. Then eventually I started looking at things, and Anshul started looking at things. It was so difficult to coordinate with those handcuffs and everything.
So Juhi, tell me something. What do you think? How do you think are inseparable ideas faring with the couple?
You know, we can discuss that a little later. I was just wondering, have you been watching TV? Have you seen any movies or new movies or old movies?
Funny you ask because I just recently saw this old classic called Kaf Kaf Hota Hai.
That's one of my favorites.
Yes.
Also, yesterday I was watching Kafi with Karan.
Sorry, that gave me a cough.
You're having cup?
So we went up and we saw that Bharat and Juhi are sitting on the bride and groom chair.
Hello, Kaf couple.
How are you guys doing?
Great.
Yeah?
Very well.
I believe you've got a bit of fever right now.
A little bit.
Yeah, but you brave it?
Yes.
For love?
Yes.
Yes.
It's love that gave him that fever. Remember he came to swing?
Yes.
Anything for Band Baja Bride.
Yeah, that's what we like to hear. Now, I'm sure you're thinking that you're here to pick out your traditional jewelry for your wedding day, right? No, you're not here for that. We've got Sabyasachi and TVZ who are behind the scenes actually working on that right now, so you don't have to worry about it, right?
Okay.
So, what am I doing here?
I don't know.
Alright, so let me just tell you this. We have the director, the charming director of TVZ, Rashi Zaveri. Okay, so I was explaining to them what
Juhi, before you get into the explanation, मुझे थोड़ा सा काम है. मैं आप लोगों से बाद में मिलता हूँ.
Okay.
Yeah?
You didn't tell me about
No, later. Yeah?
Oh, sure. Okay, so I guess it's just the four of us. Do you have any functions that are coming up before the wedding?
Yeah, I have a Kairos night, which is like a cocktail.
What exactly is a Kairos night?
Kairos means the opportune moment for us to meet and fall in love.
So, Archita, do you have any idea as to what you'd like to wear for jewelry on your Kairos night?
I'm having a light lehenga, so maybe with heavy earrings, nothing on my neck.
Okay, perfect. I actually have a variety of contemporary diamond earrings for you to choose from.
Really?
That'll be great. There you go.
Wow. She aptly showed me this whole plethora of design. I picked up the first piece and tried it on.
You look nice. Try the other one.
Which one?
The top one, top left.
I like it. Yeah.
Looks pretty.
I kind of like these because they're a little bit angular.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
They're all diamonds.
Different. I think they're perfect. Yeah. Yeah. So eventually Rashi brought in some peppy contemporary pieces of beautifully carved out enamel diamond neck pieces and ear pieces. Beautiful. I tried that one. So
Pretty.
those beautiful butterflies made out of enamel on that diamond necklace. It's really nice. The best part is you can wear them even after your wedding. It's not a bridal jewelry, it is a modern jewelry. So I think even back in San Francisco I could have worn some of it.
It's really pretty. You should take some.
It's so nice. I love this one.
I'll buy you that for the first anniversary.
And I love you.
Yeah, and that one for the second anniversary.
So, Anshul, I consider you to be fairly smart.
I am, yeah.
So you're also expecting something from TBZ, right?
Yeah, of course.
Of course.
क्या बात है यार अंशु, वहाँ कैश काउंटर में तुमने बड़ा यार तुम्हारे तो बड़े बिल फट रहे हैं. तो guys, I have just been told that there is the shagun inside this dabba.
It is a beautiful, giant, heart-shaped macaroon, guys.
As it may be clear to you guys that इस giant shaped pink color के macaroon के अंदर आपका शगुन कहीं ना कहीं छुपा हुआ है. How you have to get that shagun is
finishing this cake.
oh my god, friend, that is exactly how you get your shagun.
Just eat your hearts out, guys.
Yeah, just eat your hearts out. Go for the cake, guys. Trust me, there's no other way.
Let's have it. We started eating it in the most uncivilized way.
Amazing, guys.
Super, buddy.
That's amazing.
There's more. I saw it. See?
Yeah, but you gotta eat through it. Anyway, let's go fill up.
Oh God! Anshul, stop it.
There you go. दोनों शगुन की अंगूठियाँ मिल गई हैं.
So there was the shagun inside. A beautifully carved, golden colored ring.
यार ये जो आपकी उंगलियों में है ना, ये actually TVZ का शगुन नहीं. These are plastic rings, my dear. This is not.
Do you actually think I would let my jewelry get big?
But then I thought that's the end, and it was kind of a prank on us.
So why don't I give you your actual gifts now?
Okay.
Okay. So here's a token from TVZ, the original platinum bands for the young couple.
Wow.
Wow.
Beautiful platinum bands. They were matching platinum bands, and I think
Which we had been hunting for such a long time, but couldn't get it. You know, this is actually our official engagement. We've not been engaged till now.
That is right.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do end up doing some extraordinary things in that night, right, don't we? Yeah.
absolutely.
So this crazy in love couple is not the only one walking away with gifts from TVZ the original. You could also be one of them. All you have to do is answer a simple question and walk away with gift vouchers worth 10,000 rupees from TVZ the original. And the question is, which stone is associated with love? Is it A, topaz, B, sapphire, or C, diamond? Send in your answers to liveyoung@ndtv.com and you could be in store to just get lucky. And then guys, I think now is their turn to be handed over to Ambika in Delhi.
Oh really?
Yes, where you're going to continue with your makeover journey and still be handcuffed.